tower. My tower of helicopters. No! I hate this person. I hate this. Why did you do this? I was gonna show you my long helicopter tower that you have to get all the way to by farting in the pub wars. And yes, I wanted to crash the server, but it's not crashing. Which is sad, because I want to. Yee. We're climbing very slowly up to the longest helicopter tower ever. Please don't tell me they're gonna destroy them. No! Why? You can. I'm mad. Why you want to do this? They're trying to destroy it because they don't want the server to crash. They are just jealous that they can't. They don't have enough energy to build the monstrosity of a long tower. The longest tower. There's more. I will keep going to make this tower the longest ever, and no one will stop me from destroying it. This will be stuck like this forever. They will be. It's gonna take more than once. No. This is the top. I think I can add more. Yep, I can. I can add more helicopters. Time to go ballistic. I can't add anymore. It's like a timer. I have to wait. Let's just watch them try to get rid of this much helicopters. And what? By the way, I'm gonna throw these at them for thinking, oh yes, let's try to destroy my masterpiece. I do not deserve that. This is a masterpiece. And it's helicopters. I can't deal with these helicopters. And hello guys, this is my helicopters.